Hello, today I'll show you how you can convert any PSD file to an SVG format file. So you can see I have a demo file here. So I'll try and convert this file to an SVG format. So assuming I go to file, then I try to export. So export as. Now on my export as window, now if I try to select my format, realize that I only have 3 formats here: the PNG, JPG, and the GIF. So there's no option to convert this file to an SVG right here. So let's look at how we can fix this. So I'm going to close this back. Now I'm going to click on the edit tab right here on the menu bar here. So if you come to the menu, you have edit. Now if you click on edit, you have this whole menu pop up here. So you want to scroll down and look for preferences. Now if you come down and you don't see it, you see there's an arrow here to scroll down for more options or more menu options. So you can just click on the arrow until you get to the last option here, which is preferences. Now if you still didn't see it, then we can use the shortcut key. So if I come on my Windows keyboard, we use Ctrl+K. Now Ctrl+K takes you to the preferences page straightforward. So you can see I'm right here on the page. So when we get here, then you just look for export right here. Now, same way, let's say you access it from here. If you're able to see directly from here, when you hover on this, you see also the drop down menu right for the preferences here. You see interface, workspace, tools, history, export. This is exactly what you are looking for. You click on this export right here. The same thing as if you access using the shortcut key, Ctrl+K. You also have same thing: general interface, workspace, tools, history, file handling. Then we have export. So you just click on the export here. Now on the export option, we are going to look for this option here: use legacy export as. So you have to check this. So this is a checkbox. So I'm just going to rightly check on this legacy, use legacy export as. So now right after checking this, you just come here and click OK on the menu tab here. So I just click OK. Now let's try and export again and see if we can get our SVG format. So I'll go to my file again, then I'll go to export, then export as again. Okay, so now I'm back to my export as page here. So now let's see again. Now if I try to click again and look for my format, you see right here I have my SVG right here. Initially I was having 3, now I have my SVG. So I'm going to click on my SVG. You have to wait for a few seconds for the design to load properly before you go ahead and export. So once the design load properly, then you just export. Now, in case you see something like this, which is like a little warning, if you are very familiar with SVG, you know what this means. So if I hover on it, it says, well, font may not render as expected. Convert text to a shape to preserve fidelity as text wrapping is not supported, and font may not render as expected in the browser. So if you are familiar with the SVG, you should know what this means, because SVG is usually like something that is going to render by the browser. It's not like seen as image. Just as you have a regular image that you open, SVG is something that is only rendered by the browser. And the browser may not render some fonts as expected. So there are a lot of technicalities within SVG. So if you are working on a file that you want to specifically export as SVG, there are some things that you have to consider. So this is just a warning letting you know of all those things. So it's perfectly normal. So my design has loaded. So I'm going to export and see if we'll have our SVG. So we'll also wait for it. We'll also wait for some time to loading. So I'll select where I want to save this SVG file. So let me go to downloads and save it there. So wait for the file to be exported successfully. Alright, so my SVG has been exported successfully. So now I'll just open my download folder and see if we have our SVG file there successfully. So if I go to my download, here I have my SVG. So you can see the file came as a browser icon, as I was telling you that our SVG is always rendered as well a browser file because it's only open in the browser, not like a regular image. So I'll just click OK. Now when I click OK, I should wait for it to open in the browser. Alright, so here we go. So you can see my file has now been opened .svg in the browser successfully. So you can see everything is rendered perfectly here. So this is how we change PSD to SVG in PSD or Photoshop. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in another video.